Hello everyone. Today I'll be taking you through how to set up a manufacturing plant under inventory management. Click on inventory management, click on set up, click on manufacturing plants. At the top right corner, the first button is your upload button, and this is used to upload multiple inventory at a time. The next button is to download templates in Excel file to download the correct headings. After downloading these headings, you populate the Excel file with the required manufacturing plant information. You then save the file in your documents. Then go to choose file to select the file that you have saved. Select the file, then click on upload. The next button is your add button, and this is used to add a single manufacturing plant. Fill the name, the code, the location, the country, the description, then click on save. And the next button is to delete manufacturing plant that you have uploaded. To delete manufacturing plant, simply click on the checkbox and then click on delete. To search for a manufacturing plant that you have saved, you simply type the name of the manufacturing plant on the checkbox and this will automatically pop up. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found this tutorial very helpful. See you in our next video.